Peggy looked at that old car and gave it a name. She said, call it the Bullet, because it's shot. Don't you know that car was a part of the family? Rusty and tired, but it carried a lot of memories. An old car with no top, an old car with no body, just a frame, a cowl, and old memories are rolling down the line. He parked it in the deed of the wood where the tall grass grows, and that's where Douglas Preston said the real treasure was found. That car of memories, one man had the mettle to take him home. The old rusty car was a rusty key, not the box, not the gold, not what they thought they'd see. The chase was anchored to the ruins of that old machine. The rusty key in the deep meadows, tall grass blazing in the midday sun. The car was the rusty key, and only one man knew what it really meant to be. He called it an old car with no top. It was found sitting under the canopy. Stars canopy down like the sun, and the stars was its only roof. Shot through the fuel tank just like his F-100, a 50 cal hole where the fire once flew through. Eric Sloan made 2 trips, first in a Model T, the second trip in a Model A, when he wrote the book From New York to Taos, chasing what he couldn't say. Forrest did the same 2 trips and then done left the key in the meadow when the second trip was won. He said, when you find it, you'll want to make a second trip. Great Gatsby ended when the car took a life. Robert Redford shot dead when warm waters hauled. Bonnie and Clyde never made it out alive. But this one was different, this one was saved. The memories inside it were the only thing he craved. He squirted Illerkowski just to settle a score. He used the name Koski to poke at K-Pro. That old car was his way of settling more, while the world kept digging for what he never hid. The rusty key was found sitting right where he said it did. He prayed for D's. That rusty car, parked car, was the rusty key. Just how many parts does a car with nobody have? One searcher had the metal to take drive it the rest of the way home. Not the box, not the gold, not what they thought they'd see. The chase was anchored to that old worthless machine. The rusty key in the tall grass, like the metal marker at a special place, shining in the sun. The car was a rusty key that you can't see. Your buyer standing in your way, and only one man knew what it really meant to be. Georgia O'Keeffe had a Model A, Marvin had 32 Chevy that looked the same. Eric Sloan made 2 trips from the east. Don't you know he was the man from the east? JFK's Lincoln with the top rolled down when he was shot down. Another Ford with no canopy rolling through town. He left it in the wood, made 2 trips and then gone. It was the car he was walling back to, while the rest kept searching for what was never to be found. The car was his rusty key. The memories were the gold in that car that he wanted you to see. Not silver, not treasure, just what the old man's heart felt memories. A rusty old Ford that carried every memory he kept. The car was the rusty key, and it's sitting right here, 'cause I took it with me. Peggy named it the Bullet because it was shot, and that old car with no top was the only thing